First line. Respected teachers and my dear friends, today I would like to speak about Swami Vivekananda. Second line. He was a great Indian monk, philosopher, and youth icon. Third line. Swami Vivekananda believed in the power of self-confidence and hard work. Fourth line. He taught us to believe in ourselves and never feel weak. Fifth line. His famous speech at the Chicago Parliament of Religions made India proud. Sixth line. He said, "Arise, awake, and stop not till the goal is reached." Seventh line. Swami Vivekananda wanted the youth to be strong in body, mind, and character. Eighth line. He believed that education should build character and courage. Ninth line. His thoughts still inspire millions of people across the world. 10th line. Swami Vivekananda will always remain a guiding light for the youth of India.